As you know, KITV has gone pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this morning we have some beauty tips for looking good during chemotherapy. Joining us live this morning from Los Angeles, California is Emmy-winning makeup artist and breast cancer survivor Jan Ping and clinical nurse specialist Paula Anastasia. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
So what are some of the most common myths that are identified and associated with chemotherapy?
Well, there's a lot of inaccurate information out there, and a lot of people believe that if they're getting chemotherapy, that they are unable to be around people or crowds. They believe that they'll have uncontrolled nausea and vomiting. So it's really important to speak to your doctor and your nurse because each treatment is different and each chemotherapy offers different side effects.
Well, okay, what beauty and makeup tips can you offer chemotherapy patients?
What I always suggest for people undergoing chemotherapy is that once you've had it approved by your doctor and you can go ahead and use makeup, use disposable applicators. You want to keep your cuticles moisturized. You want to push them back as opposed to cutting them. Use mild soaps. Dispose of your mascara after 2 months. You might even get a little bit of makeup during the time that you're going through your treatment and dispose of it afterwards because you really just want to be very careful to limit any sort of risk of infection during your treatment.
And Jen, I'm sure you can speak to this, but why is it important to try and maintain a sense of self-confidence or, you know, be conscious of being beautiful during this time of your life?
You know, it's such a daunting diagnosis. It's a really scary thing when you first hear it. And, you know, a lot of us, I had to work. I'm a single mom. I had to work through my treatment, so I had to kind of just push through it and get on with it. Once I educated myself with information from my doctors and my nurses, I did go online a little bit. There are some, you know, great websites out there, one being chemomythsorfacts.com. You know, educate yourself, and then, you know, I went out in my life, and I had to feel good about what I looked like and feel confident with what I did for a living. So I just always suggest, you know, do what makes you happy, what makes you feel good. When you look in the mirror and you say, I'm good, I'm going to go out there, I'm going to get through this and get to the other side of it and have a positive attitude, that's the best advice that I can give to someone.
All right. Thank you so much, and thanks for talking with us this morning. Some great advice for those women who are going through this process. And to see this interview again, you can just head to the top video section of our website, kitv.com.